Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can change the font for your text in Photopea.com. So let's get started. Now head over to Photopea.com, and for demonstration purposes, I added an image like that as our background image, and I also added a text layer. So you see that font here. You may, for instance, use also other fonts. So all you need to do, guys, is simply select the typing tool here in the left panel or use the shortcut T. And after that, place the text box anywhere you like here on your design. So let me place it somewhere here. And after that, type in your text like test text. And after that, simply double click on your text to highlight it and click on that arrow down icon here in the top left corner to expand that list of available fonts and font styles here in Photopea.com. So browse through that list and pick the font you would like to apply. So let me go with that one here, for instance. Left click on it, and as you see, the font has been changed. And that's actually all to it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.